If you've ever been in a room and you're like, doesn't feel right, it's probably the lighting. So get some lamps. I don't care what kind of place you have. If you don't have good lighting, your place sucks. That's just my opinion. If you thrift a lamp like I did in my last vlog, chances are you're going to have to either recover it, repair the scratches, or clean it. So that's what I'm gonna do in today's vlog. For the first lamp, I picked up some burlap material from the local art store, some double-sided bias tape from the sewing shop. Do not get the single-sided one. I'm warning you now, get the double. And also this all-purpose glue. I'm not gonna give you a vocal instruction on how to do this because you can see what I'm doing on the screen, so I thought I would take this time instead and share with you different ways I've discovered to cover a lampshade while I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do. Initially, I was gonna go with this rope method, which I thought would be pretty cool. Actually, no, I didn't think it was gonna be that cool, but I thought it was gonna be simple, so I was like, I'll do that. But then when I saw the burlap, I quickly changed my mind because it really does suit my space better. But other methods that I found was, one was using an old sweater and cutting that material, which could be kind of cool. I know that if you want to like traditionally cover your lampshade, you use a fabric softener, not fabric softener, fabric hardener, complete opposite. Use a fabric hardener, and that way you could do all kinds of cool things. Like I've seen this pleated one, I really like that. I'm not going to be spraying fabric hardener in my apartment in the middle of winter. Were there any other types of ways? No, those are pretty much all the ones I saw and thought were cool. So, you know, if you prefer to do one of the other methods, yeah, there will probably be another type of tutorial online. For now, let's get on with the vlog. Remember before when I said don't get the single, get the double bias tape? Well, I ran out and I went back and I got more and I got the single. So now I have to go back again and get the double. Do not make my mistake. So focused on making sure I get the right color, and I got the single.
There's a couple meters in the back.
But it is a really big lampshade, and I think that's why it's like a statement piece. I just wanted to quickly say that now that it's winter again, I find myself over-consuming content, spending more time alone, more time on my phone, and more time in my head. And the best way, in my opinion, to pass the winter is to create. Go DIY something, take out a pad of paper and draw, and connect with people. Call your family, call your friends that live alone, that's for sure. Check in with people we love and check in with ourselves. It's already winter, so we have to deal with it being dark and gloomy and cold. So can't deal with that in our apartment as well. No, we need some warm lighting, we need some cozy feels. Ta-da! Here's my lamp. Okay, 2 quick notes. When you put the paper clips on it, it will create indents on it. So, I don't know. I didn't think about that, but you know now. And also the other thing is, so also next time, if I were to do this again, I would put the seams together. That was my bad. That noise is so annoying. Here you go, here's the lamp, and it's dirty, so I'm gonna clean it, and it's scratched up, so I'm going to repair that with a marker. This thing here was my grandmother's. I absolutely love it, and I don't want to change the color. I want to just leave it exactly the way it is. But this lamp is dark, and that's dark, and I think if this was on a lighter piece of furniture, like it would just stand out so much more. Like see if it was there. Obviously my TV's there, so it doesn't work, but how much nicer that looks compared to that. But for now, that's the way she goes. That's the only place for it, and maybe something will work better in the future, but I don't know. For now, that's the way it is. rolling and vacuuming, and that will do the trick. That you know how to clean things. Did you need a vlog for that? Don't be afraid to mix and match lampshades. Like, I found this really tiny lampshade that I thought was cute for like $3, and I had this floor lamp from IKEA. This is a placeholder lamp for me. Like, I definitely want to replace this with something really cool, but for now it works and it's okay. It's okay, and it was $3 for the lampshades. But most of all, just clean the lamps. Clean the lamps, add a little burlap on them, take a marker to them, fix them up. They're gonna be great. Honestly, I believe in you. And if you can clean up a lamp, also, I'm sure you could click a button. And if you want, you know, you could do that too. Okay, the sound of my own voice is annoying me, so I'm gonna go, but hope you have a great day. And if you wanna see my IKEA flip, which is next week, I'm very excited for the IKEA flip.